Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bonk Update today. I think Bonk is doing really amazing job right now, and there is an entry opportunity in my opinion. We can actually see the fact that we have Bonk in here with some rounded bottom going on right there, and if you want to take an entry right now, you could actually put in a stop loss down to 23756. I think that can actually be a pretty good stop, and we can see the coin that can actually try to jump off to for another 20% move to the upside coming up. I think Bonk is doing pretty well. The volume has been kicking in, and Bitcoin has also been pumping pretty much in the previous days. And all I can say and I see is that Bonk has made a nice good flag almost in here. So the number one, you actually went up here, you made a flag, you broke above the flag, you pushed to the upside, and then you made probably another little bit of a flag in there. So if you just consider the fact that these flags are being made, and you take that flagpole in here and you just kind of put it in there, it does look like Dogecoin is looking for a 0.29146, and from this point onwards, that can actually be a nice good price increase of almost 20% win if you want to take the entry. I think it's at a very good position for you to take an entry. If you want to really take an entry, it is definitely totally worth the risk in my opinion, because right now you're heavily supported. There's almost like this little bit of a rounded pattern you can see that is also successfully being retested right now. So yeah, keeping a stop loss down there can actually be a good idea. I think definitely this is something that you should try it out with some risk management. So that's up to you how much you manage the risk. But I think the chart pattern is a successful one, right? Which is the main thing. If the chart patterns are successful, you will make money no matter what, right? If the charts don't get manipulated, if support actually holds up and doesn't do any fake out, you will end up making money. That's something that is guaranteed, and that's just pretty much how trading is and traders make their bread. So that's it for the video on Doge. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.